Hello everyone and welcome back to Whimsy Creek Art. And today is May 1st and May is Stroke Awareness Month. So I will have a few videos coming out this month that will be all about strokes. But today I just wanted to kind of announce that May is Stroke Awareness Month. And to celebrate Stroke Awareness Month, I will be doing a whole series of paintings this month on beginner and how to start paint pouring. And so today's paint pour is just kind of going to represent the strokes. As many as you guys know, I've had a couple of strokes. And so I've put down a black and a little bit of white, kind of representing yin-yang. And so, you know, the yin and the yang is the good and the bad. And the stroke definitely had good things and bad things. You know, it definitely was a tragedy. But as most of you know, I started pouring, paint pouring because of the stroke. So it was definitely a blessing in disguise as well as a tragedy. So here I'm starting to put some paint in this cup, layering it, and I am using red to represent, red represents stroke, and then I'm using a little bit of gold to represent kind of the blessing in disguise, kind of in a way that the stroke was. So today's painting to me is kind of an abstract representing the yin and the yang of the having the stroke. All right, and thank you for watching, and I hope you can watch this month. There'll be a whole series on how to start paint pouring.